How to use Walmart Scan and Go. You want to download the Walmart app first. You will go to the App Store and get the Walmart app, and then you need to sign in or create an account. You need a Walmart Plus membership for Scan and Go. The third step will be entering the store. You just want to walk into Walmart that supports Scan and Go. Most supercenters do. On the app, you want to open up the app and start shopping. You will tap Services and then select Scan and Go and tap Get Started. Scan items as you shop. You will use your phone's camera to scan barcodes or products as you add them to your cart, and you can view your cart anytime. You can check your total, remove items, or change the quantity in the app. If you have to weigh produce, you will use the scale in the produce section first and then scan the printed sticker. When you're ready to check out, you will tap Pay in the app when you're done shopping, and then you can use the self-checkout area. You will scan the QR code at the Scan and Go checkout station to verify your purchase and show the receipt if asked. A store associate might scan your QR code or bag to confirm your items, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.